So we're back down at Physicians Regional Building today. We're getting close to our erection. I got a big pile of braces on site already. The guys are over here putting the finishing touches in the last of the panels. We'll be pouring on Monday morning. Yesterday, we poured these out. Guys are working their way in this direction to start stripping. And up here on the slab, we're doing a final cleanup before we start preparing. I've got guys, they're checking all of the braces, checking the inserts to make sure that the clutches work and we don't have no issues when we've got our high dollar erection crew and crane on site. We had a few minor changes to do to our elevator panel that came up yesterday afternoon. Guys are taking care of that. This one will also go in Monday morning's pour. So we're experiencing some tropical moisture again today. Had to get the elevator pit filled back up. And down here on this end, the guys are just about done, ready for erection. So we like to have the whole slab looking basically like this before we start standing anything up, just due to the fact that it's less to trip over and we've got a lot of big heavy stuff in our way as we come through. As always, we've got our superintendents keeping an eye on us down through here. This is our erection sequence, starts from this side and we'll go down this run of panels here. So Monday, crane will be setting up over here in this corner, and by the time we do another video, we should be having panels in the air. These are the last two panels down on this casting bed. They are the last in the erection, and they will be the last ones to be poured. In the meantime, as we're stripping and cleaning, we're piling everything up out by the fence for demobilization to be able to load the semi and start bringing stuff out of here due to the fact that it's going to be a limited time. The steel crew will be coming in right behind of us, pushing us, in fact, through here. We expect to do 4 days, maybe 5 standing panels, and that'll be that. So it should be interesting in the next video.